Welcome back. In this video, I will discuss how to compute 2D discrete cosine transform coefficients for a given 2 by 2 image block, which is a fundamental process in image compression and signal processing. Here 2 by 2 image is given to us. For this, we need to compute 2D discrete cosine transform coefficients. For that, we need to use this formula, that is f of u comma v is equal to 2 divided by n C of u, C of v, summation of x is equal to 0 to n minus 1, summation of y is equal to 0 to n minus 1, f of x comma y multiplied with cos of 2x plus 1 u phi divided by 2n multiplied with cos of 2y plus 1 v pi divided by 2n, where f of x comma y are the pixel values of the image. That is what you can see here. These are the pixel values of that image. Those are 1, 2, 3 and 4. And f of u comma v is a DCT coefficient. N is the size of the image. Here the size of the image is 2 by 2. So the n will become 2. Next, x and y are the spatial coordinates. U and v are the frequency coordinates. Here we can see that if k is equal to 0, then c of k is equal to 1 divided by root 2, and if k value is greater than 0, then c of k value will be 1. In this calculation, most of the time we will get these angles, that is cos of 0, cos of pi by 4 and cos of 3 by 4, and cos of 0 value will be 1, cos of pi by 4 is 0.707 and cos of 3 by 4 is minus 0.707. First we will compute the value, that is f of 0 comma 0 means u is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0. So here we need to put u and v values. And here we can see that n is equal to 2. So 2 divided by 2 will become 1. So f of 0 comma 0 is equal to, in place of u we need to put a 0 value, and in place of v we need to put a 0 value. So this will become c of 0 summation of x of 0 n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1, summation of y is equal to 0 to n minus 1, that is 1, f of x comma y cos of, here we can see that u value is 0, so it will become 0, that is cos of 0, and here also phi value is 0, this will become 0 and it will become cos of 0, and we can see that cos of 0 value is 1, so here 1 multiplied with 1, it will become 1 only. So next we need to expand this one. Before that we can see that if k is equal to 0, the value of ck is equal to 1 divided by root 2. So 1 divided by root 2 is nothing but 0.707. So here also we need to put that value, that is 0.707 multiplied with 0.707. And here we need to expand this summation. First we need to expand this x value. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. It means f of 0 comma 0, f of 0 comma 0 value is 1. That is what I have written here. Plus next x value is 0 and y value is 1. 0 comma 1 value is 2. That is what I have written. Next x value is 1, y value is 0. The value is 103. That is what I have written. Next one is 1 1. The value is 4. Here what you can see. So once you simplify this one, we will get f of 0 comma 0 is equal to 5. Next we will compute f of 0 comma 1 means u value is 0 and v value is 1. It means here we need to put u is equal to 0 and here we need to put v is equal to 1. And here we can see that if you put u is equal to 0, this will become 0 and cos of 0 value is 1. So this whole value will become 1 and this will become cos of this one multiplied with pi divided by 2n because v value is 1. So we will put that values c of 0, c of 1. So first we need to expand x and y. So x is 0 and y is 0. So 0 comma 0 value is 1. So that is what I have written here, 1. Cos of this value will become 0. It means cos of 0. Next multiplied with cos of, here y value is 0. It will become 0 plus 1 and v is 1. It means 1 pi divided by 4, that is pi divided by 4, plus next one is 0, that is x value is 0, y value is 1. So 0, 1, that is the value is 2. 2 cos of 0, cos of, here we need to put a y value as 1. This will become 2 plus 1, 3, 3 pi by divided by 4. That is what I have written here. Plus next value x is 1 and y is 0. X1, y0, the value is 3. 3 multiplied with cos of 0 multiplied with cos of, here we need to put y value as 0. 1 pi divided by 4, that is pi divided by 4. Next value is 1, 1. It means x is 1, y is 1. So the value is 4. 4 multiplied with cos of 0 multiplied with cos of, here we need to put y value as a 1. So it will become 2 into 1, that is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 pi divided by 4. That is what I have written here. So cos pi by 4 is 0.707 and cos 3 pi by 4 is minus 0.707. So once you put these values and once you do the calculation, we will get f of 0, comma 1 is equal to minus 1. Next, we will go for computing f of 1, comma 0. It means in place of u, we need to put 1 value and in place of we need to put a 0 value. So once you put this one and here also we need to put same thing. It will become 1. It means 2x plus 1 pi divided by 4. Cos of this value will become 0 because here phi value is 0. So once you expand this one, it will look something like this. And once you put the required values, we will get f of 1, comma 0 is equal to minus 2. Next, we will go for computing f of 1, comma 1 means u is equal to 1 and v is equal to 1. Here we need to put 1, 1 and here also it will become 1 and it will become 1. So once you do this one, next we need to expand this equation. Here we can see that C of 1, C of 1, k is greater than 0, ck value will be 1. That is what we have written here, 1 into 1. Next we need to expand this. First time x value is 0, y value is 0, the value is 1, 1 cos of, here we need to put x value 0, it means 1 pi divided by 4, that is pi by 4. And here also y value is 0, so it will become 1 pi divided by 4, it is also same, that is pi divided by 4. Plus next one is second value 2 multiplied with this value and this value. Next one 3 and 4. We need to repeat the same things. Once you do this one, once you calculate this one, we will get f of 0, comma 1 is equal to 0. Finally, 2D DCT result will look something like this. These are the coefficient values. Those are 5, minus 1, minus 2 and 0. This is how we can calculate the coefficient for given 2 by 2 image block by using 2D discrete cosine transform. I hope the concept of 2D DCT is clear. If you like the video, do like and share with your friends. Press the subscribe button for more videos. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.